Hi Lasse, Mark again. Right, this is CD number 4. Okay, you can see number 4 there. With the 27th on there. And that's the part there. So again, this one here had a laser change, and I believe a top of the spindle on this one as well. And of course, all the cogs, we clean all the cogs for you as well. And you know, because I know you're a good customer, we replace the cogs, you know, on some of them, not all of them, but we do replace the cogs, you know, with the parts that we got here. So you can see the parts here, we've got tons of bits. So yeah, that's number 4.